we said real estate is perfect basically to hide profits legally, right? And to save some taxes on this. And there was the question, if we spend here, let's say I end up paying 150,000 euros as interest over the entire 20-year duration, do I get back 150,000 euros or only a share of it? And interest rate is tax deductible. So if you pay 100, like many other things, depreciation, property manager, insurance, driving to the property,
Having lunch, having dinner.
having lunch, whatever. There's lots of things that are tax deductible with real estate, right? And let's say you spend 150,000 euros on something that is tax deductible, on all the things that we just mentioned. Do you get back 150,000 euros? No, because then, guys, if you think about this, this would be an infinite money glitch in real life, so not in a computer game, but in real life. Because if I spend 150 and get 150, then next year I just spend 300 and then I get 300 and then I spend 600 and in 5 years from now I will be a super trillionaire because I get all this free money from the government. This is not how this works. So the way that this works is with the tax chart that we were showing you before. If you spend 150,000 euros, the realistically best you can get is the 42% because you always get back your personal tax rate.
Exactly. Yeah.
And that's why spending money on stupid shit just because it's tax deductible makes absolutely no sense. Because if you spend 100 euro and get 42% from your personal tax rate as tax benefit, you still spend 58 euros.
Absolutely.
It's never free.
No. And how can you deduct taxes? This is what I would say our lovely Olaf Scholz always said, and I guess he is back, so he says it again. If you pay for something, you can deduct taxes. So we have many people in Germany. They say, "Oh, I don't deduct taxes. I don't get anything." Obviously, if you don't pay and you don't deduct, you're not gonna get anything back. So especially in an investment like that, you get all these advantages and great advantages. And I think that's one of the only assets you get such great advantages.
True, because the
Imagine.
way that if you simply think about depreciation, it's absolutely awesome.
Just take the money.
Or you bought something for 100,000 euros this year. Here's 2,000 euros, or 3,000 next year. Here's 3,000 euros every single year.
Insane.
This is absolutely crazy that this
How we say it,
exists.
take it with a handkuss.
Yeah.
It's great.